Hi, my name is Roland. Welcome to the first episode of Side Hustler, where it's all about Amazon KDP, print on demand, and YouTube. This is what I do, and this is what I do beside my normal job. So I try to make some money online, and in my episodes and my videos, you will learn if it's worth it, if it's working or not. Because of course it's work, and you need to invest time or at least something in order to get something back. And if it's really worth the time you put in or not, I will honestly answer in every video I put out there. That's a promise. As you may have already noticed, English is not my first language, so I'm not from Britain or from the US. I'm from a small country in the middle of Europe, so hopefully it's you can understand me well. But as you have to train some skills, I thought probably making videos in English, even if it's not my first language, is something where I can train my English skills at least a little bit on the road. So who knows, probably someday it will pay off. Okay, but now let's start over. Today we are looking for Spreadshirt. And to be honest, I was a little skeptical with that Spreadshirt thing, and I put in a lot of effort there, as much as I could. And in the beginning, the results were really not that good. To be honest, they were quite bad. So after doing it now for more than 8 months, let's have a look at the numbers. But before we do that, you have to know that for Spreadshirt, there is 2 different Spreadshirts. There's one which is for Europe, and there is another Spreadshirt which is for the US and Canada probably. You have to make 2 accounts for each of them. One for the European Spreadshirt and one for the US Spreadshirt. You can put up the same designs there and try to sell them. And to be honest, I focused a little bit more on the European Spreadshirt, and this is because I got more sales there and I saw more results there. Probably this was not the right decision. Probably I should have focused as well on the US Spreadshirt, but this is something I will do within the next days. I will upload there the rest of my already done designs, and then let's see how they do. One last thing just to mention. These are organic sales. I did not do any advertising on them. I did not do any Facebook ads or anywhere else. It's just pure organic sales. And yeah, let's go over to the numbers and see if it was worth it the first 8 months or not. So let's start with the Spreadshirt.com account, which is the account for the market of the United States and Canada. And there you see I've earned so far $4.20, which would be paid out if it wouldn't be below the payout limit. So I think the payout limit is like $15 you need to have, and then they pay it out. If you don't reach the $15 within a year, they pay out whatever you got. So what was going on in 21st until November? I can show you the whole year here at the moment. I only got one sale, which was in September. And to be honest, this is quite disappointing. As you can see here, I got 138 out of 200 designs uploaded. And this is what I told you. I probably need to focus more on this market. But when you check the how much traffic this site gets, it's not too much. So I wouldn't expect too much from Spreadshirt.com. I think the Spreadshirt in the European market is much more attractive because it's not so overloaded and not so crowded, and it has a little more viewers or visitors the site compared to the US side. Even if the US is bigger, but there are bigger players on the market there. So with that said, let's jump over to the European market. Okay. Now let's head over to Spreadshirt.de. I prepared here this small Excel list here, so just you can see everything I did on Spreadshirt.de in Europe. And as you can see here, I started off my business in April, and I was really lucky that already in April I got my very first sale here. So, and this sale brought me $7.33 in profit, which was really nice. For the first month, I was really surprised that I made a sale. So to be honest, I had uploaded probably like 50 designs at that moment. And then heading over to May, I had another sale, which made my sale account sales numbers total of 2, and I only earned $3.38. And this is because it was a different product. And of course, the difference is if you sell an expensive hoodie, you earn more than, or you make more profit compared to selling a mug, a cap, or a shirt. So this is the difference, but the numbers is still 1 and 1. I was really thinking, okay, probably it's taking off now, and then came up June with 0 sales. And this was, here I was working 3 months by end of June already in the business. And to be honest, 2 sales for 3 months of work. I'd rather had to take another job, work at a gas station or at McDonald's. I would have made more money, but I want to build up something passive where I can make passive income. And of course, this takes time, and 3 months is not representative for that. So I thought probably it takes 1.5 or 2 years to be able to make a real conclusion if it's worth all the time put in or not. So June was very disappointing, and then came up July with 4 sales and $12.41 in profit. And this was like, oh yeah, now it's starting off. So I was really happy with that. And same with August with $16.92, and even one more sale in September with $23.50. And I thought probably, okay, this is the level I can expect for the next month probably. So already here in August, end of August, I reached my upload limit of 200 designs, and this is because I'm in Star Class 2. We will talk about the Star Classes in the next video. So I was in Star Class 2 with an upload limit of 200, and so I couldn't upload any more designs to generate more sales. So this was August and September, and then everyone told me, if you watch videos online on YouTube and so on, everyone tells you October, November, December, Q4, this is where it's all about, where it's going off. And I thought, yeah, probably I make 7 or 8 if it's really like that. But I would even be happy with another 5 sales in October, and let's see how we did. We made 10 sales, yes, and earned $38.64, which made me really, really happy. And I thought, okay, probably this we will have for November, and for December I don't know yet. I know it's already late December when this video is out, but the December numbers are not yet complete. So let's see what we did in November. So I was expecting probably like 15 if it's really a good November, because still I have the upload limit of 200. But if you can, like you can see here, I got 48 sales and 174.66 in profit. The only thing which I complain a little bit about is my return rate. So if people cancel their purchase or their order, or they send back the goods, it's counted here as a return. So I got 48 sales, 5 returns, makes a final number of 43 sales, which is a return rate of 10%, 10.4%, and this is much too high. If you consider the manufacturer of the print-on-demand platforms, they expect the number to be lower than 6% over a longer period of time. If it's only 1 month, it's okay, I think. I didn't get into any trouble, but I think if I got like 10% return over a longer period of time, they will tell you, okay, guy, your designs are not for our platform, because they have to print it, and yeah, if they are returned all the time, it's not fun for them and it's not fun for me. So for me, I don't care. It's just I got 43 sales which I get paid for. But for them, they have to print, they have to ship out, they have to take back, and then they store it. So this is not what they like. So I need to get down these numbers. But to be honest, there's nothing I can influence in any case or in any manner. So yeah, let's see how the December return rate will be. But let's see how the year till date is so far. Oh, wrong button pressed. Let's go here. So I made a total of 73 sales. Still the 5 returns makes a total number of 68 sales, from April to November, which is 8 months, and I have a return rate altogether of 6.8%, which is fine. A little too high. I want really to drop below that 6% mark, but I think probably December can make that. And my total profit was $276.84. So I'm really surprised for the first year and for the first month. I thought it's starting off much more slowly, or this was probably a little wrong. It started off quite slowly, but as everyone told me, the quarter 4 is really good so far, with still 1 month missing. As you can see here, yes, you make money, but it's not like you make thousands of dollars as you start off. Probably if you're really lucky and have a winning design or a top selling design over multiple platforms, you could make thousands of dollars. But I think for a start, for a realistic business start, this is something you can expect. I was completely new to the business. I was completely new with the designs, and the 200 designs I made and uploaded there, I did it all myself. I did not hire anyone to make designs for me. Of course, I use the usual platforms. Every big YouTuber who is in POD business as well, they talk about all these platforms where you can get free graphic packs and already ready to sell designs, but these are not the designs that really sell, because everyone is downloading and uploading them again on a different platform. So at least you need to modify them or enhance them or make them completely new. So this is what I did over these 8 months, and now I'm really looking forward for the December numbers, and I will keep you informed. Early January, expect the December numbers from me on this channel.